Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M04 smartphone. So now I quickly unbox it. So here in top we get this small box of Samsung. If we see here we get the SIM ejector pin, and if we see inside it, so here we get a reading manual, so no transparent back case you get in the box. And guys, here's the phone itself. It is in light green color. The dark blue color is also available. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the USB Type-C to USB 2.0 cable. And guys, this is the 15-watt fast charger you get in the box, which is a really good thing. So that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Remove its plastic cover. So here's the phone itself in light green color, and if we talk about the design, you can see it has a super stylish design, vibrant colors with a stylish look, you can see. And if we talk about the weight of this smartphone, it is 188 gram, and the thickness of this smartphone is 9.1 mm. And if we talk about the design, guys, you can see the design is looking good. Okay, if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the secondary microphone. On bottom we get the main speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. On this side we get the volume up and down and power on off key. And here we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So a good thing, it is a triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And on bottom it has dual rear camera setup, 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel with LED flash over there. And it has 6.5 inches HD plus LCD display with 5 megapixel front camera over there. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device and phone is starting. So guys, this is the main screen of Samsung Galaxy M04 smartphone. If we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, you can see. If we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top, we get the notification center over there. Have full quick settings, and brightness adjustment is also available there, which is a really good thing, you can see. And if we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature also available there. Okay, now if we quickly go in settings, about phone, software information. So it is running on One UI Core version 4.1, which is Android version 12. It is currently running on Android 12. The OS is Android version 12. You can see. And the Android security patch level is of 1 October 2022. Yep guys, if we talk about the UI of the smartphone, it is running smooth. You can see the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth. It has normal display, but you can see the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth. Yep guys, the UI of the smartphone is running really smooth. You can see. Okay, now after it, if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with this smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocked the phone, you can see. I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlocked the phone. Okay, the guys face unlock performance is fast and responsive, you can see. I see, and it quickly unlocked the phone, you can see. I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlocked the phone, you can see. The face unlock performance is fast and responsive, you can see. It quickly unlocked the phone. I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlocked the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy M04 smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.